Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel, and it seems that the August updates, the August Patch Tuesday security updates, are causing an issue that is now just being discussed by Microsoft. And it has to do with users that are installing or that are trying to make mostly changes in the configuration of certain apps when you're not an admin user. So a lot of people actually run their PC with a standard account. So that, of course, increases security. Now, one of the problems with that is that this standard account, of course, usually prompts a user account control pop-up when some important things need to be changed. So, of course, the admin needs to just say, oh, yeah, I approve of this or not. The problem is that with the update, they made a change to the user account control to try to make it a little better, a little more secure. But it seems that when you try to install apps, and they gave an example as just changing the configuration of the Microsoft Office apps, in some cases, triggers an error message, and it doesn't work. And they say that many apps are actually having problems with that. So this means that if you're a standard user and maybe you go and click either a Windows install file, or you're trying to install a change of configuration, which means it triggers a install for modification of an already installed app, well, you might not see the prompt, and then it ends up with there's an error message. And of course, the error message comes from the fact that since that prompt didn't show up, you never had the possibility to approve of changes or anything. So Microsoft says that in the next Windows update, there will be a fix for this. So I guess that either through Patch Tuesday or by the end of the month of September with the bug fixing updates, something will pop up to fix the problem with the user account control install of apps. This affects every version of Windows, Windows 10 to Windows 11, 24H2. So this is really just a change that they made that created this loophole, this problem. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.